Hello, welcome back to another video. Hope you're going good. Today we are going to discuss one job from Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench. They are hiring for clerical post. Next, we are going to see the eligibility criteria and essential conditions. Age limit for general category, open category, minimum age is 18 and maximum 38. And for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes or other backward classes or special backward classes specified for the time being by the government of Maharashtra. Minimum age is 18 and the maximum age is 43. And for High Court or government employees applying through a proper channel, minimum age 18 years. Next is educational qualifications, and the candidates shall possess university degree from any recognized university, preference being given to holders of degree in law, and have passed government commercial certificate examination or examination conducted by government board or government certificate in computer typing basic courses or ITA for English typing with speed of 40 words per minute or above, and possess a computer certificate about proficiency in operation of word processor in Windows and Linux, in addition to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, WordStar 7 and OpenOffice, or obtained from any of the following institutions, and the various institutes are given. Universities established under the Maharashtra Universities Act, Goa or Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, NIC, like many are given. And no candidate shall be eligible for appointment if he or she is not a citizen of India and not competent to enter into a contract, or if he or she has been convicted by a criminal court or have a criminal case pending against him or her. In addition, the candidates must have adequate knowledge of Marathi language, and the candidates who are presently under court or government service shall take prior permission and obtain no objection certificate from the present office. Next is shortlisting of candidates. High Court reserves the right to adopt an appropriate methods for the shortlisting of candidates at any stage of recruitment process, and the list of shortlisted candidates shall be displayed on the official website of the Bombay High Court. Next is instructions for online application form. Applications will be scrutinized by computerized program. Therefore, candidates are advised to mainly go through all the instructions and detailed advertisement before filling the online application form. And the registry will not entertain any inquiry or in that respect. So, candidates shall submit the application only through the official website of High Court and before 27th May 2024. Before commencing to fill the rest of online application form, the candidates shall pay registration fee of 200 through SBI Collect, an online gateway facility, and get an alphanumeric reference number, and which shall be filled up in fee details or SBI Collect reference number in the application form. And the candidate shall give his or her correct detailed address with PIN code for correspondence. Candidates should provide correct email address and mobile number. While filling up the information regarding educational qualification, candidates should mention his or her qualification in the following sequence: SSC, HSC, graduation and post-graduation. For graduation, marks obtained and total marks in the final year of graduation shall only be mentioned, and the marks of previous year need not be mentioned. Where there are 2 semesters in a year, the total marks of both the semesters shall be mentioned for final year of graduation. Where the final year mark sheet mentions grades like CGPA or SGPA, etc., candidates are required to mention total marks obtained and out of marks of the final year, which accurately correspond to such grades. And before commencing process to fill up online application, candidates must have latest passport size photograph and signature duly scanned in separate files in the JPG format in such a manner that size of each file shall not exceed 40 KB and shall attach the same at the appropriate places shown in the online application form. And candidates shall ensure that the form is properly filled before submitting the same by clicking the box containing I agree. So before submitting, go through the application form, and if you are anything type in wrong way, so correct it. Once you submit, you can edit further. Candidates shall note down registration number which will be displayed after submitting of an application, and thereafter take a printout of the duly filled application form from the print application. And the printout or any original or attested copies of the documents or certificates need not be sent to the registry. Next is payment details. On application fees 200 and through SBI Collect on online payment gateway facility. Next is a scheme of examination. Screening or written test comprising of objective type multiple choice questions. So the subjects is first is Marathi, syllabus, grammar, construction of sentence and usage of words. Number of questions 10 and number of marks allotted is 10. Next is English, spelling, grammar, construction of sentence and usage of words. Number of questions 20 and and total mark is also 20. Next is general knowledge. Questions on daily events and experience, work of eminent persons in various fields, and on history and geography of India, especially related to Maharashtra. 10 questions and 10 marks. Next is general intelligence. Questions to test quantitative aptitude. 20 questions with 20 marks. Next is arithmetic. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, average, percentage and decimal fractions, etc. These are the syllabus coming under arithmetics. 20 questions and 20 marks. Next is computer related general questions. 10 questions with 10 marks. So the time duration is 60 minutes. And one thing note is, except for Marathi language related questions, other questions of the screening or written test shall be in English language, and the maximum marks 90. The minimum passing mark is 45. So next is typing. English speed test on computer. Time duration 10 minutes. Passage containing appropriate words 400. Maximum mark is 20 and the minimum passing mark is 10. Next, Viva, maximum 40 marks. So next is eligible shortlisted candidates qualifying the screening test will be called for typing test, and candidates qualifying the typing test will be called for Viva. Then the candidates shall generate or download admit card and get it printed from the link after shortlisted provided on the Bombay High Court website. The timetables, venue, test, Viva results all displayed on the official website of Bombay High Court. So we can visit the official website frequently. Verification of documents. Candidates who are likely to be called for Viva shall submit to the office self-attested copies of the following documents or certificates. Firstly, birth certificate, school leaving certificates or birth certificates issued by competent authority of board, or 10th standard birth certificate. Next is mark sheets and passing certificate of educational qualifications such as SSC, HSC or graduation, low graduation or post graduation, etc. And students having grades like CGPA in the mark sheet shall provide documentary proof issued by the concerned institutions or board or university or college, and certificate issued by the government board for the speed 40 words per minute or above in English typing, and the certificate of computer proficiency issued by recognized institute, caste certificate wherever applicable, and domestic law certificate issued by the competent authority from the state of Maharashtra, and where the candidate's name is changed, a copy of government gazette issued by the competent authority, then self-declaration regarding small family in the prescribed format. On the basis of performance of candidates in the test and Viva, select list and wait list of candidates for the above said post will be prepared in the order of merit, and same will be published on the official website of Bombay High Court. And the select list and wait list shall be valid for a period of 2 years from the date of its publication and shall stand lapsed thereafter unless the validity period is extended by the Honorable the Chief Justice. And the wait list shall be operated only for occurrence of vacancy caused by non-joining of the candidates from the select list. And the candidates shall be appointed initially on probation for a period of 2 years. During the period of probation and until certificate any satisfactory completion of probation period is issued, service of the appointee shall be liable to be terminated. And the name of the candidate shall be removed from the select list or wait list without any notice. Some other instructions are there. Candidates applying should ensure that they fulfill the prescribed eligibility conditions on the date of publication of the advertisement. Others no need to apply. And the candidates will have to appear for the test and viva at their own expenses, and they shall keep them with them printout of admit card along with their original ID proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter's ID, etc. Then candidates shall ensure that the application form is properly filled, and candidates must note that fees once paid will not be refunded at any circumstances. Candidates attempting to influence directly or indirectly shall be disqualified, and the number of vacancies is tentative and subject to change, maybe decrease or increase. Here given Form A declaration and Form B declaration character certificate. So this all regarding this recruitment. Hope you like this video. If you watch my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel also. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.